Hey everyone, welcome to another DelftStack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through installing Microsoft Teams on Ubuntu. This video is tailored for beginners and intermediate users seeking to integrate Microsoft Teams into their Ubuntu system. Well, let's get started. First, update your system with the following command. Now run the following command to upgrade your system and install the updates: 0 hours, 1 minute and 3 seconds, 670 fit, 0 hours, 1 minute and 5 seconds, 670. That's it. Finally, install Microsoft Teams by running the following command: 15001 37470 1 0 hours 42 minutes and 8 seconds 950. Now we have installed Microsoft Teams. Let's open it. We have explored how to install Microsoft Teams on Ubuntu. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe to DelftStack.